Power Assemblies Spider Box Locking Cable Review. Real 50 amps locking power that holds. You're on a job site, generator humming, spider box set, and someone nudges the cable. The connection flickers. I once watched a crew lose lighting mid-setup because a standard plug worked loose under tension. That pause, that scramble. It's frustrating when your weakest link is literally the link. You felt that, right? The stress builds fast when you're running 50 amps through a line that feels like it belongs in a garage, not a construction zone. Moisture, oil, dust, it's chaotic. One event tech told me he tapes connections just to feel safer. That's not confidence. There has to be a cleaner, more secure way to run temporary power. Then I discovered the Power Assemblies Spider Box locking cable, and everything about temporary distribution felt more controlled. Don't just grab any generator extension cable. Make sure it has true 6 AWG 4-conductor SOOW hard-use construction, so you never deal with loose connections and weather damage everyone complains about again. This 50-amp, 125, 250-volt cable uses UL-listed 6 AWG 4-conductor SOOW with a 600-volt rating, built for sunlight, oil, moisture, and chemical exposure. The California-style CS6364 and CS6365 twist lock connectors physically lock into place, minimizing accidental disconnects. The Power Claw-style grip and ergonomic design make twisting and pulling easier, even with gloves. The hard-use CPE rubber jacket stays flexible but tough in rough environments. And the 50-foot length gives real reach between generator and spider box without stacking questionable extensions. A plant maintenance supervisor once nearly halted a turnaround because a worn cable overheated. Swapping to a properly rated 6 AWG 4-conductor SOOW assembly solved the issue immediately. There's also a small workflow benefit most people overlook. Over time, the Power Assemblies Spider Box locking cable becomes less about a cord and more about predictable workflow. You plug in once, it stays put. That consistency saves time. Saved time improves focus. Focus reduces costly mistakes. Manufacturer specs highlight UV, oil, and moisture resistance, and multiple distributors emphasize long-term performance in rugged field conditions. Zorro notes the UL-listed 6 AWG 4-conductor SOOW construction and ergonomic slip-resistant connectors designed specifically for 50-amp California standard devices. Rental fleets use similar 50-amp twist-lock assemblies daily for concerts and construction because reliability matters more than novelty. One user described connecting a generator to a 50-amp inlet on a home panel with mechanical interlock and said it felt very well made and heavy-duty. Another distributor called it engineered to withstand the elements for concerts and trade shows. I've seen crews rely on these in muddy outdoor environments without a single accidental disconnect. Yes, 6 AWG 4-conductor cable is heavy. That's physics. But that weight translates into conductivity and durability under load. What matters more to you on site? Lighter cable or locked-in reliability? The Power Assemblies Spider Box locking cable isn't glamorous, but it is foundational. It delivers true 50-amp locking performance with 6 AWG 4-conductor SOOW durability and secure California-style connectors that keep temporary power stable in demanding conditions. Join the crews and rental houses who quietly rely on heavy-duty locking cable assemblies every day. Results may vary depending on installation and load management. I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment. Take a look and decide if your power distribution deserves this level of reliability.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.